What's up guys, Matt from Tech Reviews here. We've got the Nokia Lumia 710 to unbox today. It features 3.7 inch display, with a 480 by 800 resolution, 1.4 GHz processor, and it comes with Windows Phone 7. So let's take a look. Got the phone itself here, let's put that to the side. If we delve into the box, we've got the quick start guide and just some product information, which we don't really need. Just put those to the side. Also got the micro USB to USB cable, which you can use for transferring data and presumably charging as well. We've got the UK wall adapter, because we are in the UK, if you hadn't already guessed by the username. And then we've also got the standard Nokia headset, which we'll be testing out in the review in the next couple of days. If we just put these to the side, we'll take a quick look around the phone. Just turn it on for the first time. As you can see, there are 3 physical buttons down on the bottom. We've got the Nokia logo at the top, obviously. If we turn it around, we've got the 5 megapixel camera with LED flash. No front-facing camera, unfortunately. Also got the volume rockers at the side, and also a camera button, and then just the slot to take the back off. If we go ahead and power this on, it's actually Microsoft Windows Phone 7.5, which is Mango, which features on the Lumia 710. Comes with 8 GB of storage and 512 meg of RAM. That's basically what it looks like, guys. I'll see you in the review.